These ribs are getting smaller and smaller in their packs.
So this is the seating chart I've done, and this is obviously going to be the order that the seating plan is going to be placed, and obviously due to size I'm going to need to trim the table numbers so that they are equal in size and in length, so that they don't look so cluttered on here. So let's cut them to size. Okay, I'm not finding my ruler, so I'm going to use this. So I'm spray painting these brown for the underplates for Mbondo. They probably don't make sense right now on camera, but they will when I show you me setting up. And this is the paint I'm using. Do you not think we should take pictures of the decor? Get it? Do you not think we should take pictures of the decor? No, because I'm thinking I'm gonna do the camera guys must set up his car to take pictures. You show the camera guys, baby. Why am I even greeting? Because this is a continuation, but today's Sunday. We are off to my headquarters, my in-laws, Mbondo. This is what I've done so far. It's my mom. She's helping me set up. So it's just 4 tables.
to another vlog. Yes, I am starting off the vlog with you in my fridge. We just came from Checkers to do our monthly groceries, and I'm now just going to be packing everything away. I got introduced to these by default and I'm obsessed with them. I am honestly obsessed with it. They're not, as I mentioned in a previous vlog, they're not super sour. They've got a sourness to it, but with a very nice gentle sweet undertone to them. I love them so much. Guys, I'm so excited. Since the P word, since the Kowizi, whenever we go to Checkers, I see this time. So, finally, I'm so excited. Like, it's time to start moving, guys. It's time. So I bought this biryani mix from Taj Mahal. I'm going to be making, my hubby loves biryani. I'm going to be making biryani one of these days. Comment down below if you'd like to see me make biryani on a vlog. And we just might do it. Ladies, if you are using Porsche M, you have to put your man on it. My husband uses their face wash and it treats his skin very well. Unfortunately, their face wash isn't good for me, but all the other products are pashasha on my skin, as you can tell. But this doesn't do it for me, for my face, but it definitely does it for hubby. So I've introduced him to Porsche M. Yeah, and that's that, I guess, for unpacking. I'm just now gonna make ribs because we like ribs in this house. I'm just gonna make ribs and then relax. Me and my husband will cuddle. You guys will obviously not see that part. And Is it me or the size of these ribs is getting smaller and smaller? Hi, boo. So that they know that it's escort ribs. Is it me or these ribs are getting smaller and smaller in their packs? Is it just me? Okay. Like they used to not fit in this whole tray. Now I won't even have to cut it in half. It will just fit in this tray. I feel cheated. I feel robbed. Like I really feel cheated and robbed right now. And I don't know how to feel about it. Look. Fits. It fits. The fact that it fits on this tray without me cutting it says a lot, and I'm not impressed. Escort, I'm not impressed. Oven is already preheated. Let's push it in for a good 15 to 20 minutes. It is now the next day. It's actually afternoon because it's going for, oh well, it's still good morning because it's not yet 12 o'clock. But I am now on my way to a salon in Hillcrest. I'll put the name on here on the screen. They've just newly launched, so I'm just heading over there to go and try them out. Since Crazy, I haven't been to the salon to get my hair done. So I've been doing my hair for over a year now, and it has grown really well. So I just thought, let me head on over to this newly opened, newly launched natural hair salon to go and get my hair done there. And I thought I'll take you guys with, so that you all can also witness my first experience with them. So yeah, see you at the salon. Hello. Lenny. Ninjani. Come.